case we do go for a model where there is a lease, where Wipro owns all the assets, and so basically, like I mentioned, the benefit that would be is that you would be asset light. Your return on assets would be really large. The consolidation and optimization of savings, so everything would be consolidated to a single vendor across a particular platform. The monetary benefit again would be that the managerial benefit would be you have a single point of contact for all your ITAM requirements, and that would span across everything, right from procurement to contracts to every single part of it, to right to transformation. So including your application management and development. So it spans across the entire gamut of all your IT related requirements really, and data centers. Compliance is that you have better governance, easier management efficiency, and better compliance across all the various software that you would use, and optimal utilization. Very often that you might have the same issue that in various data centers you have servers which are pretty much lying idle and they're not being utilized to the extent that they should be, or they have a utilization rate of say 30% or 40%. We would jack that up to about 60, 65, 70%. We would make sure that it's optimally utilized because you have that entire in the IT asset management. So you know exactly what every server is doing or what every PC is doing. Where it is. Because another thing is that in smaller locations, if say a user leaves, the PC is just handed over to the manager. It lies in his drawer for a very long time, and nobody really knows that it's there, and it can be used.
I got two. Check.
Yeah. So that's what. So that's where you talk about how exactly it be managed. So it can be given to a new user who comes in as a temporary laptop, and maybe he gets it later on.
Is this
again compliance?
A menu option kind of thing where we could say, okay, well, we're interested in this kind of piece of asset management, but this kind of piece we're not, or is it you buy asset management and you get this sort of the whole meal from beginning to end?
Everything we do is very, very customized. I hope you would find.
Very good.
Yeah, it's flexible in terms of and customized in terms of what you could choose. It's also flexible and optimized in terms of what are the benefits. So even financially, so you have various capital lease, operating lease, payments which are possible. We are flexible in terms of what technology you would go for. So all of it is completely customized and totally depends on what you want to do. So that's about
Thank
it.
you.
In case you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me
Great.
and I can answer any.
Thank you. Appreciate
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
Thanks everybody.
So this brings to end to the session here, and
Great.
now we will move over to where all this is done,
Okay.
the factory location. And Patro over here, he's a Flex Center manager.